So the first thing that we know the compressor's on, turn the air on, and then we turn this big old switch on. The screen. Hopefully I'll remember everything, because as I try to explain it, I have a brain fart and forget. It becomes muscle memory when you do it often enough. But so you wait for the prompts, it just has to load up. So to machine not home, so you hit shift, beep, and then this guy here, that's an arrow pointing to the 2 pins, which represents those 2 pins on the board. So now it's going to go. So now it's going to go. Oh, I may have waited too long. Shift, home. There we go. I guess the shift times out. That's a good thing to know. So when you hit shift, that little black arrow will turn white. So now it says initializing the spindles. So it's just doing the digicals and the computer stuff to talk to the motor. And then you'll see this guy. It's going to go in. And this is why in the last video when we did the shutdown, we emptied the tool and brought it over to home, because if this was way at the other end now, it would crawl this slow all the way to home, and it takes like 4 minutes, and nobody has time for that. So it's just finding all its extended parameters, and that's how it knows where this is. So now, it's going to say run spindle warm-up using tool number 1, or cancel for no warm-up. We want to do a warm-up. So we just click enter, and it's going to go and grab tool number 1, and it's going to start at a low RPM all the way up to the highest RPM just to warm up the spindle. So that takes about 15 minutes or so. So we'll come back for part 2 to go through homing in the spoil board and the bit and setting home and all that.